Want to see a comic strip getting drawn, or at least getting penciled? Then you need to check this video out. Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. As you know, I draw comics and I do children's picture books. And today I'm working on some comics for Poison Ivy Gulch for July. Alright, I'm just going to be penciling in this video. Now here, this is going to be a real simple one. It's going to be basically a one-panel gag. I'm going to be featuring the local hangman, Herman the German, as well as Rigor Mortis, the Undertaker. Alright, let's start here. Start by sketching his eyes, as well as that big nose of his. He's also much shorter in contrast to his friend, Rigor Mortis. There we go. Very simple to draw there. Alright, yeah, you'll see the setup for the gag I'm doing in just a moment. Sketch out the rather tall and skinny Rigor Mortis. See, I've already done the layout there for his rather long, hooked, beak-like nose. Alright. You'll see the joke I'm setting up in just a bit. Alright. Looks like he's carrying a giant nail there. Alright, the joke's coming up in just a second here. Just going to sketch in a very light, minimalistic town background to show the characters are in town. They're right there in Poison Ivy Gulch. Alright. Yeah, very minimalistic, but it gets the job done. When you're working in comics, less is more. What you leave out is just important as what you leave in. I don't want to draw a complex background because that'd junk everything up. It'd clutter everything, and I really don't want the attention drawn away from the characters and the joke. Alright. Just using my Ames lettering guide here. I don't know where Rig got that giant nail from. I don't know who his supplier is. Alright. Let's just start penciling this, and then we'll end this video. Herman the German, I'm throwing in some gratuitous German there. He's saying, "My God." There we go. Look at the size of that nail. You're going to see the payoff for this joke in a second. And there we have the joke. Look at the size of that nail. That's nothing. You should see the hammer. Indeed, what kind of a hammer you drive nails like that with? Well, that's it for today's video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos, and hit the like button to like this video. Want to check out more of my work? Just follow the link below. Until next time, everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West, saying goodbye.